telescope, and it comes in this nice sturdy bag which fits all of the pieces. It'll be easy to put away if we don't want to have it sitting out. And the stand is super sturdy. It's heavy duty, and I'm so excited to put it together and see what it looks like. And inside of the bag, I'm gonna unzip it with a nice zipper. And inside, there's a lens bag. Comes with an objective. Comes with the tripod. Comes with a 25mm eyepiece and a 10mm eyepiece. Barlow lens. Zenith mirror. Comes with an accessory tray. Comes with a smart phone adapter to hold your phone. Comes with a finder scope. And a remote control, which is going to be very convenient. I'm going to read the instructions and put it together so you can see how simple and easy it is.
This telescope was super easy to put together. The instructions were easy to follow. Everything screwed right into place and was simple. And once it was all done, it was so sturdy and such a nice quality. I couldn't believe the quality of it. And we were able to see so many different things. My girls are gonna love this. There are two different lenses. The 25mm eyepiece, it's going to magnify things up to 20 times. And the 10mm lens is going to magnify 50 times. So if you want to see more detail, put in the 10. But I think for a beginner, the 25 is the way to start, so it's a little bit easier to find things. And it still shows great detail as well. I also love that you can use your phone with this, so you can zoom in and get even more detailed pictures, and you can share pictures with your family and friends. You can take a picture with your smartphone via the remote control, which is awesome.
Now we got it all put together. We're going to see what we can see. We can move it around. And we see our neighbor's swing set from far away, and some houses and trees, the clouds. There's some trees in the forest back there. A swing set. How cool, isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.